What does Kenny Rogers' song, The Gambler, have to do with managing our stress and reducing our anxiety and worry? Stay tuned, because that's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's Mindful Stress Relief segment. So in order to manage our emotions and our stress levels and reduce our anxiety and worry, we need to learn how to assess our stress. One of the most helpful things you can do in order to manage your stress is to know where your stress is coming from. I want you to make a list of your top 10 stressors, those things in your life which are bringing you more stress and anxiety and worry. And I want you to be specific. Now you might be writing things like, my job causes me stress. But I want you to be specific. What exactly about your work is bringing you more stress and anxiety? Now if you're also thinking, well, now there's a particular person in my life that's causing me more stress or causing me to be more anxious, I want you to think about what exactly and specifically about that person is causing you more stress. There might be a couple of things, but try to narrow it down to one or two things. You see, the more mindful we are about noticing where our stress is coming from, those sources of our stress, the more we can effectively reduce our stress, reduce our tension and anxiety and worry. Kenny Rogers' song, The Gambler, gives us clues in how to effectively manage and cope with stress and anxiety and worry. You got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You need to know what things bring you stress, when you have too much stress, when you need to release your stress, and when to walk away from a potential stressor. And that will bring you a winning hand in the game of life. So I invite you to stay tuned for another mindful stress relief strategy. Use these tools to help you get the stress out so you don't get stressed out.